Today, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing with our comprehensive guide tailored for beginners. Whether you're dreaming of starting your own affiliate venture or just curious about how it all works, this is your starting point to success. And remember, this is part 4 of our 8-part practical SEO series, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. First things first, let's unravel the mystery. What is affiliate marketing? Imagine being the bridge that connects consumers to products or services they need. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. You promote someone else's products, and in return, you earn a commission for each sale or each action completed through your referral. It's a win-win where businesses get customers and you get rewarded for your marketing efforts. Where do you begin? The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its accessibility. You don't need a huge budget or a team of marketers, just a channel to reach your audience. Be it through a blog, a YouTube channel, or your social media platforms, each has its unique advantages. Blogging offers the power of SEO and in-depth content. YouTube lets you connect visually and personally, and social media provides instant engagement and virality. Your choice should align with your strengths and where your target audience spends their time. For this video, we'll pick blogging and SEO as our channel. And now we need to decide on a niche. But how do you find a niche that's both interesting to you and profitable? Here's where we blend your passion with a data-driven strategy. First, we turn to Google Trends. Consider dog treats as our example. This topic not only shows seasonal peaks, but also a sustained upward trend in interest. Such insights help us spot rising consumer interests. But identifying a trending topic like dog treats is just the starting point. Before we settle on dog treats as our niche for this video, it's essential to validate our choice with more data. Here's where SEO Quake, a handy browser extension, comes in. It provides an overview of key performance metrics such as search demand and competition levels for potential niches directly in your Google search results. But we don't stop there. To truly understand the viability of dog treats as a niche, we dive into the Semrush Keyword Magic tool. This powerful tool offers a deep dive into the keywords associated with our niche, revealing not only their search volumes, but also the nature of the competition. We're looking for a solid number of relevant keywords, particularly those with lower competition that are viable for targeting. It looks like there's plenty of keywords to target, so let's pick dog treats as our niche for this video. Additionally, if you find a website that mirrors what you aim to achieve in your niche, Semrush's domain overview is invaluable. Simply input the website's domain and you'll have access to a detailed analysis of their traffic sources, targeted keywords, and more. This provides a comprehensive view of their strategy, offering insights to guide your path in the chosen niche. Once we have our niche, let's talk about affiliate programs. These can vary widely in terms of competitiveness, commission rates, and market appeal. Some programs offer higher payouts, but are more competitive and require niche expertise. These are often aligned with specialized products or services in specific markets. On the other end of the spectrum, you'll find programs with broader appeal, catering to a wide consumer base. While they might offer lower commissions, the potential for high sales volume can make them equally lucrative. The key is to select a program that aligns with your niche, audience, and personal marketing strengths. For instance, in a consumer-focused niche like dog treats, a program that balances a reasonable commission rate and market appeal and competitive reach could be ideal. Among the programs you might consider is Semrush's own affiliate program. It rewards affiliates with $200 for each new subscription sale, $10 for every new lead, and a cent for each new signup. It's a comprehensive program that offers substantial support to its affiliates and aligns well with a variety of niches, both consumer and B2B. Now, what's the best way of finding these affiliate programs? It all starts with a simple Google search. Searching for something like Best Dog Treat Affiliate Program will give you a curated list of all the ones you can apply for. Here's an example that came up right away. But to really get ahead, enter a competing affiliate site into Semrush's backlink analytics. From there, head to outbound domains to find their most popular linked domains. For example, by analyzing a popular pet blog, you might discover they frequently link to a specific brand of dog treats, indicating a potential affiliate program. For this example, it's quite clear these guys are part of the Amazon Associates affiliate program. And after identifying programs like this, your next step is to apply and ensure they align well with your niche and content style. Once accepted, you'll integrate their affiliate links into your blog posts, making sure they fit naturally with your topics and add value for your audience. Now, we've identified our niche and selected a suitable affiliate program. It's time to attract traffic to our blog. And while there are multiple avenues like paid ads on Google or social media and even collaborating with influencers, one of the most sustainable and effective methods is SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is the art and science of making your web pages appealing to search engines like Google. And what's the goal? The goal is to rank high in search results for your target keywords, which in our case could be related to dog treats. Now, achieving this means consistent passive traffic to your blog. And SEO hinges on mastering three crucial aspects: making sure your content is easily findable, crawlable, and comprehensible for Google, understanding and addressing your target audience's search queries through relevant content creation, and finally, gathering backlinks to elevate your search rankings. Now, good content is the cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing through SEO. It's what attracts real readers to your blog. But how do you ensure your content stands out? Here's a few tips. Number one, be original and authentic. Share your personal experiences with the products or services you're promoting. This adds a layer of trust and relatability. Number two, provide detailed reviews and comparisons. Your audience is looking for in-depth information that helps them make informed decisions. And number three, keep it updated. Markets and products change rapidly. Regularly updating your content ensures relevance and usefulness. Now, let's talk about link building. In the world of SEO, backlinks are like votes of confidence for your sites. They signal to search engines that others find your content valuable. But how do you build links effectively? First way is through guest blogging. Write for other blogs in your niche to get your name and website out there. A second idea can be collaborations and partnerships. Work with other creators or brands. This can lead to natural link exchanges. And third, try to create shareable content. The more useful and interesting your content, the more likely it is to be shared and linked to. Remember, link building is about quality, not just quantity. A few high-quality links from respected websites in your niche are far more valuable than dozens of low-quality links. We won't dive any deeper into SEO specifics in this video. That's a vast topic we cover in other videos like Nathan Gotch's Beginner SEO series, so feel free to check that out. Don't forget to leave us a comment with your thoughts, add a like if you found this valuable, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.